All right. All right. Well. Let us take a moment to drink you in, to be with you. The pleasures and the joy continue to grow, continue to expand and lift and reach. The pleasures and joy reach for the splendid and reach for the sublime. The pleasures and joys reach and stretch as we gather, you and us, as we gather to work magic together, as we gather to love together. And so it is with the pleasures and joys and with the love that we welcome you. Last night we welcomed you to San Sebastian, and to this Vision Quest today we welcome you to the workshop portions of this particular quest. You are here, as we said, to work magic, to love, to dream, to heal. Welcome. Welcome. Last night, we talked about the beauty, about the energy, the vortices that are here and in Barcelona, about the energy, the resonance in the land. And we talked about you leaving something behind, slipping through a vortex, through a portal, and leaving something of who you are not, of what you are not behind. During these days, something will stir. It's already stirring. Something will shift. It's already shifting. Something mysterious, magical, perhaps mystical, perhaps even unfathomable will be set in motion during these days. Yes, welcome. Last night we talked of the fierce interdependency and the love, subtle and not so subtle, that is a part of, and the glue, if you will, of that interdependency, so palpable in this region and in the region of Catalonia. And we talked of the community, the fierce community, undeniable, that is in this region and that. And we talked of the resonance of beauty that is both sacred and radiant, unique, distinctive, unlike and yet similar to beauty in various unique and special spots in the world. This is a special place. There is also tremendous chaos and frenzy in these regions, in this land, and among its people. A chaos and frenzy that, on one hand, can enhance the interdependency, the community, the love, the beauty, but on the other hand, can diminish them. And the diminution is happening in a world where the old ways are crumbling, where the old paradigms are shifting and changing, uncharted, unknown, where a new world is beginning to emerge through the labor pains of birth. The diminution is happening. There is pain in this land and in the souls of its people. There is a yearning for new direction, for new dreams, new visions. There is a yearning for acceptance. Not to belong in that way, but for acceptance and for freedom in this land. This land and its people need your magic. Not just magic, your magic, your love, your healing. This land and its people need your dreams. You are here for the peoples and for the land, for Spain, for Catalonia, for the Basque Country. But you are also here for yourself. Also here for yourself. Nothing changes until you do. To deal with your pain. To deal with the pain of growing and changing, of evolving, of moving beyond the boundaries that you've known, that you've become familiar with, that you feel safe within. To have new dreams, new visions, a new direction, a new destiny. To find the acceptance and the freedom.